If you're considering Wix Answers for your help desk needs, there are a few things you need to know before making a purchase. While it's an appealing option with various features, it's important to evaluate its strengths and limitations compared to other help desk software like Zendesk, Freshdesk, and Zoho Desk. Here are 12 key things to consider before buying Wix Answers. First, it's important to note that Wix Answers is deeply integrated with the Wix platform. This makes it a great choice if you already use Wix for your website. However, if you're not using Wix, this could be a limiting factor since its full potential is unlocked only within the Wix ecosystem. Next thing, Wix Answers offers a ticketing system with email and chat integrations, but it lacks some of the more advanced automation and customization that platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk provide. If you're looking for highly tailored workflows and automation, you might want to explore those options. The third thing to note is that Wix Answers includes a knowledge base feature that allows you to create helpful articles for your users. While this is a solid addition, it's not as robust or flexible as what you might find in other tools, like Zendesk's Guide, which offers more customization for large-scale knowledge management. Fourth, let's talk about the pricing. Wix Answers offers competitive pricing, especially for small businesses. However, compared to Freshdesk or Zoho Desk, it might not offer as many features at its base price. For businesses that need more than just the basics, the added costs for premium features could be a deal breaker. The fifth thing to keep in mind is scalability. Wix Answers works well for small to medium-sized teams, but as your business grows, you might find it lacks some enterprise-level features. If you're anticipating rapid growth, platforms like Zendesk may offer more flexibility in terms of scaling up your operations. Sixth, Wix Answers supports live chat and phone support, but its features here are a bit limited. For instance, it doesn't offer the same level of integration with third-party apps that tools like Freshdesk and Zendesk do, which might be a deal breaker for larger teams or businesses with specific needs. The seventh thing to consider is its reporting and analytics. Wix Answers offers basic reporting, but when compared to other help desk software, it falls short in terms of advanced analytics and insights. If you rely heavily on detailed performance metrics, other platforms might serve you better. Next, let's talk about integration capabilities. Wix Answers integrates with various third-party apps, but the range of integrations is more limited than what you'll find in tools like Zendesk, which offers a wider variety of options, including integrations with CRMs, project management tools, and social media platforms. The ninth thing is the user interface. Wix Answers has a clean and intuitive interface, especially for teams already familiar with the Wix environment. However, users who are new to the Wix ecosystem might face a learning curve when compared to more universally familiar platforms like Freshdesk, which is known for its easy-to-navigate interface. The 10th thing to consider is the customer support that Wix offers for its help desk software. While it's generally responsive, there have been reports of users experiencing delays in support tickets, which could be a concern for businesses that need immediate assistance. 11th, Wix Answers offers an AI-powered chatbot that can assist with customer inquiries. While it's useful for handling common queries, it's not as advanced as chatbots in platforms like Zoho Desk or Zendesk, which offer more sophisticated AI-driven features that can handle complex interactions. The 12th thing you should know is the mobile app. Wix Answers does offer a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich or seamless as mobile apps offered by competitors like Freshdesk. If you rely heavily on your mobile devices for managing customer service, this might be a limitation. In conclusion, Wix Answers is a solid choice for businesses already within the Wix ecosystem or those with basic help desk needs. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, integrations, and scalability, it might not be the best fit. If you're open to exploring alternatives, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free and see if it fits your needs better.